My first name's Robert. My middle name's Larson. Last name's Mick. And I attained the rank of commander in the JAG Corps. Well, I was not very conscious of the fact that I was making an impression on my kids. I would dress up in uniform once a month, go to the reserve center, and yet my older boy, who was a Navy SEAL, when he was asked, why did you join the Navy? And he said, well, I grew up in a military family. And we sort of joked because he never saw me in active duty. He wasn't born when I was in active duty, but um, just the going off once a month, seeing his dad walk once a month in uniform, made an impression. Well, I'm proud of him. All three of my boys are service people. He was a Navy SEAL. My middle boy's a retired Army man, and my youngest son is a retired Marine.
Unbelievable.
So we were just counted up. We have 70 years of joint military service in our family.